Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Analyze pair I benzene versus the tricyclic compound bicyclo 1.1.0 or 3 radiolentite structure shown as a rectangle divided into 3 parts, which represents bicyclo 2.2.0, or more likely the structure is bicyclo 2.2.0 hex 2Na, or they were benzene or similar C6H6 isomer. Both benzene and the rectangular structure, they were benzene or 3-cumulene, have molecular formula C6H6. They have the same molecular formula but different connectivity, different bonding arrangement, so they are constitutional isomers. Therefore Ia constitutional. Moving on to the next step. Analyze pair 2,2-cyclohexane 1-1 versus cyclohexadiene oxide 1,2-epoxide of cyclohexadiene. Both have molecular formula C6H6O. They have the same molecular formula but different connectivity, a ketone versus an epoxide, so they are constitutional isomers. Therefore 2A constitutional. Moving on to the next step. Analyze pair 3Z1,2-dibromothene versus E1,2-dibromothene. Both have molecular formula C2H2Br2 and the same connectivity. Both are 1,2-dibromothene, but they differ in the spatial arrangement of groups around the double bond. This is a geometric, cis trans isomerism, which is a type of configurational isomerism. Therefore 3B configurational. And for the final step, analyze pair 4-diglyceraldehyde versus L-glyceraldehyde. These are mirror images of each other, enantiomers, that are non-superimposable. Enantiomers are a type of optical isomers. Therefore 4D optical. Summary: Ia 2A, 3B, 4D, which matches option B. Why other options fail? Option A assigns to be configurational to pair 2, but pair 2 differs in connectivity, constitutional isomers, not configuration. Option C assigns IB configurational to pair I, but pair I has different connectivity, making them constitutional isomers. Option D assigns IB to be 3A, 4B, which misidentifies nearly all relationships. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.